Hi guys, so no makeup on. This is another type of video for me, and it's how I cleared up my acne. As you can see, I still have dark marks and I have like a few active breakouts, but my skin has really improved, and I wanted to share what I use to clear up my skin. Because if you watch my videos, you know I suffer from hyperpigmentation and I do TCA peels and stuff like that. But the reason why I had to be doing TCA peels was because I would get pimples and they would leave like really dark marks on my face. So the stuff that I've been using for 8 months now, literally 8 months, not a sponsored video, bought it with my own money, are my acne.org system, and I have the treatment, which is 2.5% benzoyl peroxide, and I have the AHA. This is a exfoliant, my moisturizer. That's an chemical exfoliant. It has glycolic acid in it, kind of like a peel, but it's more gentle. And this is the gentle cleanser. So I've had this for, let me show you the date, since 24/5/19. I hope you guys can see this. So it's 24/5/19, 2004, the 5th of the 19th, 2004, and I've been using it for about 8 months now, give or take a few months, because I fell off during the holiday season. I wasn't taking care of my skin, so I'm back on it. The cleanser I hardly use because I substitute this for something else, so I'm gonna talk about how I use it. So this is what I use on my face for cleansing. This is the Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap. This is what I use on my face now as my cleanser. I use literally 3 drops of this to cleanse my face. And before I was using that in the summertime, I used African black soap, but this dries my skin out a little bit, so I use this mostly in the summertime. After I wash my face, I go in with a scrub. This is the Mary Kay microdermabrasion refined step 1, or I go in with the Ives apricot scrub. So I go in with either 2 of these, either one of those, excuse me. And then after that, I go in with this Proactiv refining toner, Revitalizing toner. It's not my favorite. I have it and I'm just trying to get using it till it's done. It's almost done. Then I go in with my treatment. This is 2.5 benzoyl peroxide. I let that sit and dry. And the key to skincare is that each time you put something else on your face, you let it sit and dry before you put something else over it. Then I go in with my AHA, and this has glycolic acid in it, but it's a lot gentle, so it's over time your face peels. And after that, I go in with my biore skin boosting night serum. This is actually my favorite. It dries really fast, and I also use it in the morning time. So I really love this, and it's good to put underneath your makeup because it's oil free. Extra my elf lip scrub. You know it's real in the winter time for this. So let me do a background of my skin. I have really fine pimples. If you squeeze them, they have white heads. They're white heads. They never come to a head. That's the type of pimples that I deal with, and they don't come above the skin. They're always underneath my skin. I rarely get blackheads. I'll get one and two. My acne is genetic and also hormonal. My acne started improving when I got on birth control, improved a lot. And my hormonal acne is from my mom. My mom is 40 years old and my mom still suffers from acne. So I'll probably have acne issues for the rest of my life. And I shall deal with it. So I'm going in with my Proactiv Revitalizing Toner. I normally let my face air dry, or I use a cotton, or I use a paper towel, because cotton carries bacteria, and if you use like a towel on your face every day, it's gonna build up bacteria, and you don't want that. And change your pillowcase cases regularly. Also, drink a lot of water. A lot of people know that already. I have dry skin, and it's because I don't drink a lot of water. And the more I drink water, the more I notice that I do not have dry skin. I actually have combination dry skin. My T-zone is oily, and then the rest of my face is dry. Do not eat junk. Please don't eat junk. Like, I come from a traditional Jamaican family, and we hardly have takeout, so we're always cooking our own meals, making our own meals and stuff. And I used to eat junk especially when I just started college, because I used to love junk. So I started bringing my own. So my battery just died, but anyways, I was saying do not eat junk. I used to eat a lot of junk, but now I don't eat any junk anymore, especially when I'm at college, because I blend my own juice, natural juices and stuff, and I bring my own food, my own lunch to school. So my toner dried, so I'm going in with my treatment, and this is 2.5 benzoyl peroxide. And I have no idea where my glasses. But as you can see, I have a few active acne going on. And most of the hyperpigmentation that you see on my skin is because I pop my pimples. Please don't pop your pimples. I'm trying so hard to not pop my pimples now. And I'm getting a comedone extractor for my skin. So yeah, I'm getting some more. I'm getting a comedone extractor, and I'm getting a derma roller for my skin. So I'll just put those in another, like a second skincare video, because this video is probably going to be very long, and I don't want it to be very long, but it's what it is. So I'm going to put this on my face and let it sit and dry. And I normally put 2 layers on my face. I put the second layer on the place that I normally break out, and it's normally these areas, my cheek areas, or where I have pimples, active pimples going on right now. So Dan Kern is the man that made acne.org, and he have tried everything and it didn't work, and he wanted to build something of his own that would help people, and his site is very good. It has a forum where you can ask questions, or you can look at questions, and you can see other people that have used acne.org, that has used the regimen and it's worked for them. So I didn't believe the hype until I actually spend my own money and buy it. And you get this little sheet right here. And when you get the sheet, it says like the cleanser, treatment, and moisturizer. And please follow all the steps to a T until you get your skin clear. You can manipulate the steps like how you want, because I've been on 8 months and I've manipulated my moisturizing step because it's what worked for my skin, and I have like whitehead, so I need to be constantly exfoliating my skin so nothing gets trapped into my pores. Please follow all the instructions. It will work. It worked for me. I never thought anything would work for me, and I'm so happy that I seen Goss Makeup Artist video. If you don't want to buy acne.org, just go to the pharmacy and get a 2.5 benzoyl peroxide and put it on your face, and I guarantee within 2 months your skin will be clear. Like, just do it constantly and your skin is gonna get dry. It's inevitable that your skin is gonna get dry, but it's for the better. It's drying out all the bacteria. Everything that's trapped in your face is killing it, so deal with it. You have to deal with dry, flaky skin for a while until your skin get used to it, or you moisturize really good. And this is the AHA. This has glycolic acid. It's a light exfoliant, and I use this kind of as like a base moisturizer for my skin, and I put it where all over my skin, but I focus mostly on where my dark marks are. And this kind of tingles, especially if you like popped a pimple or you have an active breakout. It's gonna tingle a little bit, but nothing unbearable. I'm hoping that this video is not really long. I'm just trying to make sure everything is dry in between before I go to another step, because that is the key to skincare. If you're using products on your face, you gotta let everything dry before you go to another step. So that's what I'm trying to do. And the AHA dried pretty fast. I'm just fanning my face so I can dry faster, because I don't want this video to be hella long. Then I'm going in with my skin boosting night serum from Biore. I absolutely love this because it dries fast, and when I'm going to school I need a moisturizer that's gonna be dry, that's gonna dry fast, that I can put on my makeup and stuff and use as a base before my primer. And this is it. Absolutely love it. I really need to get a bigger bottle of this night boosting skin serum. I don't even know if they make it anymore, because I've been searching for it and I can't find it. But it is what it is. So I'm gonna do a close-up of my face. So this is what I'm working with. I have a few active breakouts right on my skin. My forehead is pretty clear. So yeah, that's my skin. My skin will never be perfect, and I've accepted that, but it's way better than how it used to be. And please check the description bar. If I do not mention something in the video, I'll put it in the description bar. So please check the description bar for the coupon codes, the Goss Makeup Artist video about acne, and Dan Karn acne.org YouTube channel. And I just hope this helps somebody, because it's helped me, and I found it on YouTube, and I hope it helps somebody on YouTube. So that's why I'm making this video. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.